Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer, and welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. Right now, because in this video, I will discuss how you can rank for thousands of keywords without building a single link. Now let's just dive right into it. But before I get started, again, turn away because what I'm about to get into will seriously disrupt the way you think about SEO. This is what I call monster SEO. This is what's going on. If you like it or not, this is what we are doing. So I want you to go ahead and take a look here to discuss this a little bit further. Let me explain this. Expired domains, I'm not sure if you have heard of them, but most of the time they carry a lot of the link benefits. Okay, and what's really great about these expired domains is you will actually know that they are about to be expired 30 days before they go expired. So if you want to build a lot of authority, tons and tons and tons of links without actually link building, and how you can rank for thousands of keywords without link building, stick with me here. So, as you know, expired domains, how long do I know before they are expired? Let's just get the definitive answer here. Bear with me, guys. So when I can register an expired domain is 42 days. According to this site, webmasters.stackexchange, so that's 42 days. Now stick with me. So how can you rank for thousands of keywords without you having to build a single link, without building any backlinks? Well, this is very easy. So after we know that we have about a 40-day, 30-day grace period where we will actually find out that the entity has gone into the auction phase, there are many different things that you're going to want to go ahead and check. Now, these things are DA and PA, but amongst those things, and I have actually went ahead and found an article, and we'll go ahead and go through that together, and this is all leading into my monster SEO method, so please bear with me like I mentioned before. So when you're buying these expired domains, you can do a couple of things. An expired domain, it goes on to tell you that there's a 30-day extension and how you can use the domains. You can 301 redirect them. This may not be recommended directly to your money site, but it could be used as an authority site, or it could be used for a PBN or a private blog network. But things you need to know before buying expired domains, and this is what I want to get into before I explain the rest. So these are the things that people are looking for before they go ahead and buy the domain. So they are going ahead and they're checking the DNPA like I mentioned, but check the Google domain to see if it was banned, looking for an AdSense ban, and then check the archive of the website, like what was built on it before then. But I want you to take a good look at number 5. Check for Chinese backlinks, but not only backlinks, but also anchor text. So it says here, and this is a quote from this page I found on Medium, but you can look at articles anywhere. It says, generally, most of the expired domains are backlinked with spam Chinese links. I don't know if that's true or not. I look at anchor text profiles. If it fits the domain and the Wayback Machine looks about right, I don't really care what the anchor profile is unless there's XXX types of links in that profile. Now, with that being said, we know that Chinese links are a red flag for potential buyers, so maybe these could be utilized in the method. I'm just simply giving you some context to the method. So please note if there are any Chinese backlinks and many anchor text with different languages, so avoid these domains. So with that said, when we're going on and we're looking for our domains and we have finally found the right masterpiece, it's time to start implementing our monster SEO technique. What's really great about expired domains is a lot of the times you will come to find that these domains can go into the thousands and thousands of dollars. Some of these domains that you will come to find will have links from Forbes, from Huffington Post, from other huge websites, the types of links that you really, really want. You too can dominate your niche without building any links. So let's just say you have 42 days before, according to this article right here, 42 days. So you know 42 days before. So you're already looking on the 42nd day before it's about to expire, you find a domain. This domain is jam-packed full domain authority and trust flow and citation flow. I mean, this baby is loaded. It has all of your favorite links from Huffington Post, from Forbes, from CNN. This sucker is loaded. So what do you do to get this website and have it in your link profile so you can have all of these keywords that it's ranking for? My friend, it is time to do some monster SEO. Now, how do we go about doing this? You have the domain, you know how powerful it is, you know the keywords that it's ranking for. What you do is you head over to Fiverr.com, where some of the best, the best link builders in the world are, and we're going to look for, we are looking for do follow backlinks. We're going to go on Fiverr, and what we are looking for is some do follow backlinks. You're going to go on here and find someone that allows you to enter in the anchor text and also will send anywhere between 60, maybe 40, maybe 30 backlinks. And inside of that anchor text, what you want to do is have them send some anchor text that is less tasteful. I'm not going to get into the type of anchor text that I would personally use. However, I'm sure you have quite the imaginations. We are in the SEO world. So my advice for this monster SEO technique, I'm guessing you have put the pieces together. You find an expired domain that is super juicy. It is an absolute wonderful SEO domain with tons of authority, tons of backlinks, ranking for keywords. You send links to it with anchor text that is less tasteful, and now you are able to acquire these expired domains, which generally would be $1,000 or more for a fraction of the cost. Now, I call this the monster SEO method. This is how you too can have very powerful domains, and then all you can do is you can bury those links that you've brought to it, or go back to your link builder and have them remove the links, right? And now you have a powerful domain for a fraction of the cost, and you have now participated in what I call the monster SEO method. Now, like I mentioned, this is a little bit on the black hat side. I'm not saying that I would ever do this. I am simply just giving you the information, and you could do what you wish with it. Now, my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about SEO, if you have any questions on how you can rank higher, please leave a comment below. But this will be it for how to rank for thousands of keywords without you actually having to build a single link. It has been an absolute pleasure, and I hope to see you in the next SEO link building video. You have a wonderful day.